Looking to breathe cleaner, fresher air at home in 2026? Did you know that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, even in seemingly clean homes? That's where an air purifier with an activated carbon filter comes in. It's not just a gadget, it's a game changer for your health, blocking odors, smoke, VOCs, and microscopic particles your eyes can't even see. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best air purifiers with activated carbon filters that will truly elevate your indoor air quality this year. All the links are in the description, so you can check them out for yourself and see which one fits your home best. Let's get started. Number 5. PuroAir 240 Replacement Filter. Starting at number 5. Now, the PuroAir 240 replacement filter is a precision-engineered 3-in-1 system designed to maintain medical-grade air quality, capturing 99.9% of pollutants like pollen, dust, pet dander, and smoke. It combines a pre-filter for large particles, a high-density HEPA layer for ultrafine particles down to 0.1 microns, and a proprietary carbon tech layer to neutralize household odors and VOCs. Its cylindrical design ensures 360-degree intake, maximizing filtration efficiency, and the plug-and-play setup means you can swap filters in under a minute without tools. Compared to Levoit Core 300 filters, the PuroAir 240 boasts a higher HEPA grade, HEPA 14 versus H13, meaning it captures smaller particles, though replacement costs are higher. In practical terms, the users report noticeable reductions in allergy symptoms and cooking odors within just an hour of use. What sets this filter apart is its medical-grade certification, which ensures reliability in environments where air quality is critical. For households with pets, frequent cooking, or nearby traffic pollution, this purifier can dramatically improve indoor air quality. Many users also highlight its durability. The filter structure prevents sagging or bypassing, a problem sometimes found in budget models. While it's on the pricier side for replacements, the long-term investment pays off with consistent performance. Additionally, it's surprisingly energy efficient, maintaining clean air without significantly raising electricity bills. If you live in wildfire-prone areas, have pets, or suffer from allergies, the PuroAir 240 is a solid investment for maintaining top-notch air quality and protecting your purifier's performance. For those looking to combine ease of use, efficiency, and clinical-level filtration, this is a noteworthy choice. What do you think? Worth the premium? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. Austin Air HealthMate Plus B45O. Next up, the Austin Air HealthMate Plus is a beast for high contamination spaces, engineered for people with extreme chemical sensitivities. Its standout feature is a 15-pound filter canister packed with activated carbon, zeolite, and potassium iodide to neutralize stubborn VOCs like formaldehyde and benzene, paired with 60 square feet of true medical-grade HEPA and a dual-stage pre-filter. Built like industrial equipment with 22-gauge perforated steel, it's designed for rooms up to 1,500 square feet. While its particle cadder might be slower due to the dense carbon bed, its gas removal performance is nearly unmatched, making it ideal for wildfire seasons, freshly renovated homes, or spaces with high VOC exposure. What makes the HealthMate Plus truly unique is its sheer capacity to handle chemical pollutants. If you live in a city with smog, have frequent visitors smoking indoors, or recently remodeled with paints and adhesives, this purifier can make a huge difference. Compared to the IQ-Air Health Pro Plus, the Austin Air triples the carbon amount, 15 pounds versus 5 pounds, though it sacrifices a digital display or multiple fan speeds. Filters can last up to 5 years, providing long-term value for anyone sensitive to air quality fluctuations. Beyond performance, it's a set-it-and-forget-it device. Once placed, you can run it continuously with minimal maintenance. Users often note that it reduces lingering cooking odors and smoke smells almost immediately, creating a fresher, more breathable environment. For households seeking maximum chemical and particle removal in large areas, the HealthMate Plus is unmatched in its class. Number 3. Afloia Kilo. The Afloia Kilo brings a sleek, compact, and quiet solution, perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or dorms. Its 3-stage H13 True HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.1 microns with an activated carbon layer for light odors and a preliminary filter for hair and lint. While its 1,076 square feet coverage rating sounds huge, it's best used in rooms around 269 square feet for effective 4 air changes per hour, and it's whisper quiet at 22 decibels on sleep mode. The unit's 7-color nightlight adds ambiance, and the lightweight cylindrical design is easy to move from room to room. Compared to the Levoit Core 300, the Afloia Kilo is quieter but slightly less powerful. CADR of 140 cubic meters per hour versus 240 cubic meters per hour, and lacks smart features like app control. What's really appealing about the Afloia Kilo is the combination of style, portability, and efficiency. Its minimalistic design makes it blend seamlessly with modern decor, while its low noise level ensures it won't disturb sleep or work. Though it's less powerful for large spaces or heavy smoke, it's ideal for smaller personal areas like home offices or children's rooms. Maintenance is straightforward. Filters are easy to replace without technical skills, and the carbon layer helps keep the room smelling fresh between changes. Users report that allergy symptoms, such as sneezing or congestion, noticeably improve within days of consistent use. Additionally, the Kilo is surprisingly energy efficient, consuming little electricity while operating continuously. For anyone wanting a balance of functionality, quiet performance, and aesthetics, the Afloia Kilo hits all the right notes. Would you use this in a bedroom or office? Drop your thoughts below. Number 2. Jafända JF180. Coming in at number 2, the Jafända JF180 is a 3-in-1 desktop air purifier with a nostalgic vintage radio aesthetic, combining functionality and style. It uses dual 3-stage filters, a pre-filter, H13 True HEPA, and high iodine activated carbon to capture 99.97% of pollutants, including PM 2.5, smoke, and pet dander, with a CADR of 120 cubic feet per minute, 204 cubic meters per hour. One kit's bladeless fan design directs air out the front, doubling as a cooling fan, and its 7-color nightlight makes it quiet and sleep-friendly at 22 decibels. While it's marketed up to 1,190 square feet, it works best in rooms around 260 to 300 square feet for frequent air changes. Beyond its stylish design, the JF180's dual filter setup allows users to tackle both particles and odors efficiently. The activated carbon is highly effective against mild household odors, making it great for kitchens or bedrooms. Its retro-inspired design is a standout feature for those who care about aesthetics without compromising performance. Compared to the Levoit Core 300, it adds a functional aromatherapy chamber, which allows subtle scent diffusion without overpowering the room. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for desks, nightstands, or shelves, while the bladeless fan ensures safe operation around children or pets. Users also praise its quiet operation, making it easy to keep on overnight for uninterrupted sleep. Priced between $90 to $110, it's a compelling choice for anyone seeking both form and function in a small space purifier. Would you go for aesthetics or raw performance? Comment below. Number 1. AirDoctor AD1000. Topping our list, the AirDoctor AD1000 is a tower-style purifier delivering clinical-grade Ultra HEPA performance, capturing 99.99% of particles as small as 0.003 microns, 100 times more effective than standard HEPA. Its 3-stage sealed system includes a permanent pre-filter and a dual-action carbon VOC filter that tackles gases like formaldehyde, while whisper jet fans keep noise 30% lower than conventional models. The auto mode uses professional-grade sensors to adjust fan speeds automatically, making it ideal for nurseries, offices, or spaces with high chemical sensitivity. Compared to Levoit Core 200S, the AD1000 offers much deeper filtration and a dedicated VOC carbon canister, though it comes at a higher price point. What makes the AirDoctor AD1000 exceptional is its balance of power, precision, and intelligence. The sealed system prevents air bypass, ensuring every cubic foot passes through HEPA and carbon layers. Users consistently report dramatic improvements in allergy relief, odor removal, and overall air freshness, even in heavily trafficked rooms. Its auto mode intelligently detects particulate spikes or VOC surges, adjusting fan speeds without manual intervention, which is a huge convenience. But the tower design promotes better airflow circulation, covering corners and larger areas more effectively than compact units. Additionally, the dual carbon layers specifically target VOCs and chemical odors, a feature critical for homes near traffic or undergoing renovations. While the initial investment is higher, the long-term benefits, especially for families with children or allergy sufferers, make it a clear winner in 2026. For anyone seeking medical-grade purification, this is the ultimate choice. Clean air isn't just a luxury, it's essential for your health and comfort. From the PuroAir 240 to the AirDoctor AD1000, each purifier offers unique strengths, whether you prioritize ultrafine filtration, chemical removal, quiet operation, or aesthetic design. Which one would you pick for your home? All the links are in the description. Check them out, hit like if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more 2026 air purifier reviews.